Firstly, what are the classifications? A fire is classified into different types based on the fuel involved. The 5 primary classes are: Class A, fires involving ordinary combustibles like wood, paper, and textiles. Class B, fires fueled by flammable liquids like petrol, diesel, and alcohol. Class C, fires caused by flammable gases such as propane and methane. Class D, fires involving combustible metals like magnesium, sodium, and aluminum. Class F, fires related to cooking oils and fats. Class E, electrical fires. Technically not a fire class, but identified separately due to electrical ignition sources. However, lithium-ion battery fires do not fit neatly into these traditional classes. They represent a unique hazard due to their ability to undergo thermal runaway, leading to self-sustaining combustion and reignition. Second, why not other? Unsuitability of traditional extinguishing media. Conventional extinguishing agents fail to address lithium-ion battery fires due to their unique combustion characteristics. Water. While effective for most Class A fires, water can actually worsen lithium battery fires. It reacts with lithium compounds, producing hydrogen gas, highly flammable and explosive. Carbon dioxide gas and dry chemical powders. These work by displacing oxygen or interrupting chemical reactions, but lithium battery fires generate their own oxygen, making these agents ineffective. Foams. Designed for liquid fires, foams lack the cooling effect needed to halt thermal runaway, leading to reignition. Third is the triangle of fire and theory of combustion. Why HMS works on lithium batteries. Every fire needs heat, fuel, and oxygen, the 3 elements of the fire triangle. Lithium-ion battery fires introduce a 4th factor, thermal runaway, where excessive heat causes continuous self-ignition. HMS, hydrated mica suspension, addresses these factors systematically. Cooling effect. HMS rapidly reduces temperature, preventing further heat buildup and halting thermal runaway. Smothering. It creates a physical barrier, displacing oxygen from the burning source and cutting off the combustion process. Starvation. By forming an insulating layer, HMS isolates the fuel, preventing further energy transfer and stopping reignition. Unlike water or traditional extinguishers, HMS is engineered to break the chain reaction of lithium-ion battery fires, making it the only reliable solution for these high-risk scenarios.